Okay, YouTube, it's your boy Money Chasing Chris here. About to do the full review on this mcgriddle, chicken mcgriddle. Who is this? You know, they got over here looking at me, UPS guy. Do your job, my dude. Do your job. Dude told me to come check it out, see what it's looking for. I guess it's supposed to be like a chicken and waffle type of deal. Ready to get something to drink. You know, just because I think that it was going to be kind of dry. But I hope not. Maybe it's going to be smacking. Okay, we got it in the mcgriddle wrapper. See that? Still in the mcgriddle paper. Nothing wrong with that. Motherfucker kind of small. But it was only $2. Can't be mad at that. Can't be mad at that. Okay. So it's hot. I give that. I give McDonald's a A for right there. 100% right there is hot. Motherfucker kind of smoking. Let's see, we got the little, might be like the little McChicken. I'll show y'all. That motherfucker hot. McDonald's. Hey, okay, McDonald's. $2. Let's see what $2 is giving you money's worth. First bite. Hey, okay. That boy good. Get a second bite, man. Maybe because I was just hungry. I'm more hot. That's how you want your food, yo. You want it hot. You want to be able to taste it, but you want to be able to look at the heat. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to get that right there. 5 money stacks. 5 money stacks. That shit was banging. That shit was delicious. That shit was extra good. That shit was like, you know when you broke, you know, you just put something in the microwave, or not in the microwave, but you just look in your refrigerator, you see chicken, you see pancakes, and then you be like, man, I just smoked something. I'm about to mix them two together. That shit bang, and it came out good. That's what that is. Ooh, that shit was good. I still need to get something to drink, but that shit was banging. Shout out to Woodville, Ohio, McDonald's. Y'all did y'all thing on that. Excuse me. We'll go get it. The new chicken mcgriddle. Go try that thing. I'm out.